All right, here we go with Yum Brands. The low was $63. The high was 66, right straight down, where they came in and started buying at 63. Right now, the prints are currently 63.54 by 64.19. The actual earnings report, and we'll cover this with more people later, is that Yum Brand misses by 3 cents. They beat on the revs and they reaffirm the fiscal 2012 EPS guidance is what they do. But let us not forget that they did miss that headline number, and so we went down. And it was expected. I mean, it's slow around the world. What we care is how they treat them, why they're buyable, and how to take the market the opposite way. Because I can tell you right now that Yum Brands will probably try to trade up. They're going to reaffirm the guidance. They missed by 3 cents. Um, what I can say is that the um, the China day in the same store sales grew 10% in China and 4% at the YRI and 7% in the U.S. So China still grew, and a lot of people wanted to know what Yum Brands was going to have to say about where that Chinese growth was over there. Okay, what they are also going to say is that restaurant margins declined 0.6% points to 15.2%, including declines 4.1% points in China. So you have that there, they're down 4.1%, 1.1% at YRI. Restaurant margins increased 5.8% points in the U.S. Okay, so the way I see it, same store sales grew at 10% in China, but there was a markdown there. And that the stock is dropping off the highs of $66, and we will trade Yum Brands and buy on the dip as worldwide growth is slowing. And Yum Brands in the last quarter had kind of adjusted some estimates in there. And basically, when you mark the estimates down, they're not as hard to beat. But once again, Yum Brands misses by 3 cents and falls 2% after hours.